As science suggests, the mid-range alternative to the Samsung Galaxy S24 might be landing soon, according to Android Headlines, which has found the name and model numbers of the phone somewhere online. The model numbers are SM-S721B, SM-S721U, SM-S721W, and SM-S721N. The letters at the end represent different regions respectively: Europe, the US, Canada, and South Korea. The fact that this list and the phone's name have been spotted on some sort of online database is a confirmation that the Galaxy S24 FE is landing soon. And if you're still here, give me a subscribe because that would make my day. The rumor is that some display components for the phone have entered mass production, ready for the Galaxy S24 FE to launch this summer. We can even say that the phone might land on July the 10th, as Samsung is rumored to be holding a major event to launch the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the Z Flip 6. We also need to mention that the Galaxy FE series will continue to expand in product categories such as smartwatches, earbuds, etc. The Galaxy S24 FE might be available with two different chipsets, like previous FE models. As an example, the previous model, the Galaxy S23 FE, Qualcomm Snapdragon Gen 1 was used in some regions, while Samsung's Exynos 2200 chipset was used in others. And if you want to know everything we know about the Galaxy Z Fold 6, watch this video. And please take just a second to support me by subscribing to my channel and liking this video, and perhaps sharing it with interested friends. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one.